Hi, my name is Tara Bergener, and this is the presentation of my Week 10 assignment, Contoso University. As you can see, I was able to get a different color scheme, and I decided to go with one that would be a nice university school colors, um, as well as adding the homepage description and a picture. I also made this a link to be able to learn more about Heritage University to take us to the About page, which also has some information and then does display my information, including my name and my contact information. When you go to students, here the information can be filtered by last name or sorted by enrollment date. It also can be searched for a specific student. We also have the ability to edit the information, view the details for a specific student, or delete. Now, if we move to the courses, we have the ability to do all of those functions as well. But for the courses, we also can create a new course with my drop-down box. If we go to instructors, again, we have the ability to create new, edit details, and delete. However, with the instructors, you can also click select. And then you can select a course and it will show you the students associated with that course and that teacher. And then last but not least, we have the departments section, which again, we can create, edit details, and delete. And then if you go up to Heritage University, it will take us back to the homepage where I did again change the name of the university.